Hey there, today we're going to take a look at how to use Shopify's new checkout extensibility to add a survey to your order thank you page and your order status pages. It's super easy to use. All you've got to do is drag and drop a few elements and use a survey app, and it only takes about 5 minutes to set up. At the moment, checkout extensibility is only available for Shopify Plus stores, but we're expecting to see it released to pretty much all stores in the coming months, so it's one to keep an eye on, but right now it's just for Shopify Plus. So let's just dive in and take a look at how to set all this up. So to get started, I'm just going to head into my UserLoop account. So UserLoop's an app for Shopify that you can install to run surveys. It supports checkout extensibility, and you can run the surveys at checkout or by email afterwards or by landing page. It's free to sign up, super easy to get set up. So when you come into your UserLoop account, you'll see you've got an option on the left for surveys. And when you sign up, we'll automatically create you a checkout survey. So you can come in here and you'll see you can either use AI and we'll write a load of suggested survey questions for you that will help you get to know your customers better, or of course you can write them yourself. Here I've just got a survey that I've already set up with a ton of questions in. You can see you've got like single select questions, multi-select, open-ended questions where customers can type in their own answers. So you've got tons of options here. And you'll see there's this toggle at the top, and what this controls is which survey is active on your Shopify account at any time. So if you turn that on, it will automatically set that survey to be your active one. If you're not using checkout extensibility, that will also automatically install the survey on your store. If you are using checkout extensibility, you'll notice there's one more step that we've got to go and complete, and we've just got to hop over into Shopify for that to finalize installing the survey. It's super easy, so let's hop over there now. So I'm in my Shopify account now, and I'm on a development store with checkout extensibility enabled. If you're already on Shopify Plus, you'll be able to turn this on now. All other stores hopefully will be able to turn it on soon. And all we've got to do is head to our settings page, and then we've got to head to the checkout area. And then you can see if you haven't already upgraded to checkout extensibility, you'll see you've got a kind of a message here. It is worth just noting that when you do turn on checkout extensibility, it does stop any additional scripts you had on that page from working. So any kind of customizations you had aren't supported by that. You've got to use these new app blocks for that. So if we head into our checkout here, we're just going to press the customize button. You see we've got this message on the top left that says checkout extensibility isn't active yet, but you can see all the different pages you can edit here. So we're going to go and edit our thank you page. So if we open that up, then you can see all the blocks that we've got on here. So this is standard as it comes. And so now if you want to install the survey onto this page, all you've got to do is hit the add app block in the bottom left. And then any Shopify apps that you've got installed on your store that support checkout extensibility, you'll see here. So we can see we've got our UserLoop survey there. So I'm just going to click that, and it'll instantly appear on our page, and you can see it, how it's going to render, and you can even try it out and see how it works. The other cool thing is you can kind of reorder it if you want to on the page, so you can change what position it's in. Really, we do recommend to have it as the top option, as it makes a massive difference to the number of responses you'll get. So we really do recommend having it there at the top. So we've added it to our thank you page. We also do recommend installing it on your order status page. So if customers come back to check on their order, they can fill out your survey. And it's exactly the same. All you've got to do is hit that add app block, and then it's there. And you can, of course, rearrange it just like we did before. And you can see how that works. Then all we've got to do is hit save. And then when you're ready to activate checkout extensibility, just hit activate pages. You can always deactivate it and go back if you want, so you can kind of flip between the two to see how it goes. But that's literally all we've got to do to install that survey and turn on checkout extensibility. And if we head back to our main store, we can see that's all active now. And if you want to see how that looks on a live checkout, all you've got to do is head back to the user loop survey that we created. So here it is, and we've got to go to the design tab. And then on the top right, you'll notice there's a preview on Shopify button. If we hit that, we can open a preview, and that is going to open the most recent order that a customer placed, and it will show you exactly how that survey is rendering live. So you can see exactly what it looks like for live customers. So super, super easy. So that's all there is to it, really. It's super easy, and we really do recommend trying out Checkout Extensibility. There's a ton of benefits to using it. And it's super, super easy, really easy to set up in User Loop. And of course, you can get started with User Loop for free and set up a survey and start collecting responses. You'll be amazed at how many responses you get and what you can learn about your customers, about what marketing channels they've come from, what products they'd like to buy from your store in future, who they're buying for, all this kind of stuff. It's really, really powerful way of getting to know your customers better. So you can sign up at userloop.io or just search for Userloop on the Shopify App Store. But that's all there is to it to get set up with Checkout Extensibility and have a survey running. So any other questions, just drop us a line on our support or the chat widget, and we'd be happy to help you get set up. But that's it for now. Thanks.